on, guys? I have no idea where we're at with these videos. Got a lot going on. I feel like I can almost start posting more than once a week, but right now I'm still just gonna keep it on Sundays. But what we're getting after today is, let me turn on the light. Doesn't really help. This little opening, for some reason, I mean, I obviously don't have the tool for it, but I can't just punch it around for some reason. It's like a tight fit seal or something. So I'm just gonna follow these lines with the angle grinder and cut it out. So then that way my filter bags for the oil will sit right in. It's got a metal ring up here at the top, so that won't fall through. The bag won't fall through. It'll just sit there on top of the oil container, and then that way we can start pumping this used motor oil into it, filtering it through the 10 micron bag that I have. And then once we pump all that into it, then what my plan is over here, I'll probably cut that one out too, and then we'll use the pump to cycle it out of this can back through, but then with my 1 or 5 micron, whatever one I got, to filter it some more. And then that one we can just sit there and leave on and let it just circulate, so in that way it gets it all. And this one used to be an old synthetic 5W30 oil container, so that's not a big worry, because this one, these green ones are coconut oil, and they have a bunch of coconut oil still sitting at the bottom, which I don't think would hurt, but I'd rather just not even deal with it. So I'm going to cut this one, and that's the plan for right now. I think we're the right way up. Anyhow, there we go. We got the holes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So, again, like I was showing you, I don't know which one. There's the 10 micron. Let's see how it'll work, huh? Bam, just like that. Like it was meant to be. Now I just gotta go get the pump off the other tank, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. I can't wait. It's gonna be such a huge saver in diesel and gas and everything, because I can get that stuff for free from my work, so pretty killer. Alright, here's what we got cooking. I got this green hose attached, which will be going into the oil drum and siphoning it up and out. It'll be going through the pump, obviously, and then this little black hose just leads right into the filter bag. What I'm gonna do is I got these self-tapping, self-drilling auto I don't even know. I don't know. I just know they drill into metal, and they're gonna hold this thing in place for me. So I got Jay going to grab the drill. I'm just gonna zap her on down into place, kick it on. It's got a little on-off switch right here, and then you just connect her to a 12-volt power source, which might, yeah, we'll just have to drag the drum over just a little bit, hook it up to the old Ranchero, and kick her on.
Ready? Record?
Yep.
Alright, let's see if it'll siphon it out. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
There it is. Coming from there, going all the way up that, through there, and right to there. You good? Oh, baby. This looks perfect.
It's working, huh? It's gonna take a minute. We got this one to do. This white drum, which is 30 gallons. And then we got the black one over there, which I believe is like 25 or 20.
Sounds
Wow, that thing, that's quite the filter on it. You hear it just dribbling, like drizzling?
good.
That's crazy. Well, this is gonna be a process. But it works. Works
pretty
good. Alright, so what we got going is we Gorilla Glued one of these filters. This one was the 10 micron, this one's the 5 micron, so it's gonna collect the finer stuff. We got it Gorilla Glued onto this funnel, so in that way it creates a seal all the way around. And this thing is ran off of pressure, so hopefully it'll kick on and kick off. So all you have to do is leave it running, and then it'll just sit there and siphon itself. And then we put a piece of wire through this tube to give it more structure, because the end of it was coming up out of the oil, so it wasn't actually sucking anything. So you'd have to jiggle it around until it starts siphoning oil. So hopefully that fixes that problem, and then hopefully this fixes our problem of having to turn it on and off. So we're gonna give it a shot and see if it gets messed up or not. Here we go. Coming out anywhere?
I don't see anything. Does it feel like it's stretching? Starting to come out there a little bit.
Where's that? I need that warm tool. Alright, so we have successfully pumped out all the oil from this black one and this white or clear one. And I've acquired another 25 gallons that I have to pump. But I'm going to keep what's in here from those two as is. I'm eventually going to pump it out of here into one of these that I have. And then mix it 50-50 with diesel and then the filtered oil. And then just keep them separate like that. Like this one, I just got to filter it and then fill it halfway up, obviously 50% with diesel, and just run that. That way it's not too much on the injection pump, just because it will be a little bit thicker. But that's where we're at. Just going to keep filling these guys up and taking the oil from work until I can get all these filled up. And I'll have 4, so I'll have, what, 200 and some gallons of fuel. Be pretty killer. So that's where we're at with this. We're out. Peace.